Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can take 50 megapixel pictures or photos from your Samsung Galaxy S23 or the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So the first thing you need to do is open the camera application. Then you need to make sure that you are in photo mode. If you are in portrait mode, then this option is not going to work for you. Next up, make sure you are at 1x because this option of taking 50 megapixel pictures does not work with the ultra wide lens. Then on top you will see something called 3:4. Tap on this and then you're going to get the option of 3:4 and below that 50 megapixels, and bam, there it is. We are now in 50 megapixel mode, and let us take a picture. Bam, there it is. Picture was taken without any issues. In case you want to change the option, you can always tap on that 3:4 again and switch it over to 3:4 without the 50 megapixel, and let us take another picture. Now a definite change you will notice is that the shutter speed or the time it takes to take a picture will increase when you're using the 50 megapixel mode. Now how do you know that your pictures are 50 megapixels? So here it is. This is the first picture which we had taken, and this is the second one. Now the first one which we took was in 50 megapixel mode. So if you are on that picture in your gallery app, tap on the three dot menu on the bottom right and say details, and bam, here it is. You will see that this picture taken with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus is 50 megapixels. Similarly, if I swipe over to the second picture, you will see this one here is in 12 megapixel. Of course, the file size is also going to be different. So the 12 megapixel one is 1.67 MB, and if I switch over to the 50 megapixel one, that is 6.77 MB. So almost 5 times, but there it is peeps. That is how you take 50 megapixel pictures from the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus or the Samsung Galaxy S23.